angels come down, help with this parade. To hear your voice ring out, come on and shout it, let your soul be heard. This is the time, this is the day that we've been waiting for. All the world stop to watch you shine.
Welcome to Revise with Mrs. C. We're looking at completing diagrams for covalent bonding in this video, and all you need to do is find out how many electrons are in the outer shell, and you can do that by looking at your periodic table. So if we look over here, my periodic table is here. At this 1, it means all of this group will have 1 electron in the outer shell. This group will have 2. We then skip over the transition metals. Hydrogen has 1, and onto the other side we have 3 in the outer shell, 4 in the outer shell, 5 in the outer shell, 6 electrons in the outer shell, 7 electrons in the outer shell. This one says 0, but it only means that there is no electrons missing. So in actual fact, there's 8 electrons in the outer shell for all of these ones. So let's go back here. We knew that nitrogen was in group 5, so we're going to say 5 up here on the question, and hydrogen we had a look at, and there's 1 in the outer shell. So I'm just annotating that there so I can see it. Then when I look at my question here, there's only 1 for hydrogen, so I'm going to put a little cross in each of the shared spaces for hydrogen. There is 5 for nitrogen, but I can only do 1 in each of those shared spaces to match up with the 1 for hydrogen. So I'm going to draw a little circle here, a circle here, and a circle here. So that's 3 electrons that I've put on for nitrogen already. The other 2 need to go on the outside. If I look at that now, hydrogen wants 2 electrons to have an full outer shell, so there's 2 there, 2 there, 2 there. So each of these hydrogens are happy. And with nitrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now nitrogen is happy. So now we have a complete and balanced covalent bonding diagram, and you would get 2 marks for that. Okay, why don't you go ahead and have a go at this example. Hopefully you've had a chance to draw the covalent bonding for iodine. So if we have a look at our periodic table, iodine is down here, and that means it's in group 7, so it's going to have 7 electrons in the outer shell. So I'm just going to write up here on my equation that there is 7, and that will just remind me. So I'm going to have 1 electron here from one of them, and 1 electron here from the other one. Now, since iodine only wants 1 more electron in order to be shared, this is just a single bond. This X and this O forms a single bond. So I'm going to put the rest of them around here. I usually do them in pairs and at the north, south, west, east position, but you will not get marked down if you put them anywhere else. So I've now checked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for this iodine, 2, 4, 6, 8 for this iodine, and that's a complete covalent bonding for 2 marks.